Hello students, I am again here to solve one more question about symmetrical fault analysis. So this is a question, it is the single light diagram of a small power station. So it consists of basically two generators, generator A and B. These are of different ratings. First generator is of 3000 kVA and 7% reactance. For second generator it is 4500 kVA and 8% reactance. These are the feeders connected to the bus bar. In question that is given, the rupturing capacity of circuit breaker is 150 MVA. That means it is the maximum short circuit kVA or MVA it is given. So it is the maximum short circuit MVA that can exist on the circuit breaker. Okay. Now if a fault is occurring at this point, then find out the reactor value that is connected to limit the short circuit current. Here a transformer also connected to extend the power system here. That's a rating is of 7500 kVA and 7.5% reactance. Then how we will start to solve this question? First we will consider the base kVA. So as I discussed in my previous class, what can be the base kVA? It can be the maximum value of the rating equipment connected to the power system. So here the maximum rating is of transformer, that is 7500. So its value will be 7500 kVA. Now calculate the value of the percentage reactance of different equipment. So first for generator 1 we will calculate percentage reactance of generator A at the base kVA value. So its formula is the base kVA upon rated kVA into percentage of X on rated value. So by calculating this we can get 17.5%. Similarly for generator B, it will be 7500 upon its rated value 4500 kVA into its reactance 8. So when we will calculate this, we can get 13.34%. Similarly for transformer, it has same kVA as of base kVA, that's why we will get again same percentage, that is 7.5%. Now the third step to solve this question is to draw reactance diagram. How we will draw reactance diagram? First we will make a neutral point where we connect the reactance value of the equipments. So this is the neutral point. Now first we have connected the reactance value of generator A, that is 17.5%. Then generator B, that is 13.34%. Now fault is occurring at this point, so we have indicated this here. Now a reactor is connected, that is X%. Then reactance value of transformer is here. Now in this reactance diagram, these two reactors are parallel and these two reactors are in series till the fault point. So fault point will remain same, and when we calculate parallel of these two reactors, we will get 7.57%, and series of this will be X plus 7.5%. Okay, and this is your neutral point. So the total reactance from neutral point to the fault point. So our main focus is to calculate the total reactance from the neutral point to the fault point. Here we can say this 7.57 is parallel with X plus 7.5. So it will be like this. The short circuit kVA is given. Ki what should be the short circuit kVA of the circuit breaker? So maximum short circuit kVA, what should be? It should be 150 MVA. That means 150 into 10 to the power cube kVA. Okay. Maximum rating, it should be like that. So we will what do? The formula to calculate the short circuit kVA is equal to base kVA into 100 by percentage of X total reactance calculated till the fault point. So here short circuit kVA is given 150 MVA, that will be 150 into 10 power 3, that is equal to 7500 into 100 upon this percentage of X. So again when we will solve this equation, we will get like this equation. Then after multiplying and subtracting, we will get percentage value of X, that is 7.23%. Then we have to calculate not percentage value, we have to calculate in ohm. So this is the second formula. With the help of this formula we can calculate X value in ohm. So it is percentage of X equal to kVA into X upon 10 into kV whole square. So percentage of X is here 7.23, that will be equal to 7500 X upon 10, and kV value is given, that is 3300 volt, that is 3.3 kV. So after putting all these values, we will get value of X, that is 0.105 ohm. So when we will connect this value of reactor here, we can limit the short circuit current that is occurring here. So that's overall the question.